They said it couldn't be stopped. They warned that there was no man able to take on the challenge of the dirty dozen. The 12 things that people flush down the toilet, causing sewer blockages that damage the environment and cost us all a lot of money. But they reckoned without one man.
Right on then, who's been putting the wrong stuff in the toilet then? The sewers outside are totally blocked. V.
There was only some wet wipes, Sheriff. And some cotton wool beds.
And you know, some other things.
Is that so bad, Sheriff?
Now look by here. There are 12 things you shouldn't put down the lav, and I call them the dirty dozen. Keep the dirty dozen out of our toilets, innit? Blocked lavs ain't very nice, see? And rubbish can get into our rivers and beaches. And cleaning it all up costs us all money. Millions, every year.
Oh, Sheriff, we'll put things in the bin from now on. We promise.
Help me clean up this town. Don't put the dirty dozen down your toilet. Isn't it?